Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Check that out. 2010 Sport Trac Adrenalin. Love these vehicles. It's got about 100,000 miles. We installed our Stage 2 Stryker supercharger package on it, which includes an Edelbrock supercharger. We also did Detroit rocker cams. And something cool about this vehicle, he's from Colorado. He came in, so he's running 91 octane, but he trailered his Harley with him. So we built the truck. He went on cruise for a couple days in his Harley, which is opposite of most people that come in. You know, they trailer their Mustang a lot of times, then take their normal vehicle out driving around. So he rolled in the Harley. Luckily, we had good weather. But hey, stick around. We're gonna watch a dyno video of our Stage 2 package. I will talk more about it. I will have links in the description. If you haven't, subscribe and notify to stay up to date. I have Corinne with me. Let's go check it out. All right, when this Sport Trac came in, I already had some custom exhaust on it, but the engine was stuck. Corinne, come down here, take a look. So in our Stryker package, we use the Edelbrock TVS 2300 intercooled, Stage 2. You get the competition cold air intake, 41-pound fuel injectors. We do upgrade the fuel pump in our Stage 2, so you're getting a Detroit pump, 3.5 pulley. It's a killer setup, colder spark plugs, proper calibration. This truck is awesome. So a lot of people that watch these videos that have these, you know, I really wish they still made something like this. Everyone always thought SVT back in the day should have made a supercharged version of these from the factory. That's why years ago, I think it was maybe like 2008, we started installing superchargers on the 463 valve on the Sport Trac Adrenalins because it was something I think that should have happened from the factory. But it's the Edelbrock Detroit rocker cams, has some sweet exhaust on it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, here we go. Remember, dyno jet, SAE. Corinne, come over here, take a look. Rear wheel, 437 of the tires, peaking at 6,500 RPM. Torque comes in at 378, peaking at 5,000 RPM. That is an awesome setup on this truck. I do want to take one more look over here, Corinne, at this. So, you know, the Stage 1 package, okay, one, we are at 91 octane, so we can't make quite as much power as 93. I think 93 on this, we'd be looking at least another probably 20, 25 real horsepower. But this thing's clean. Like I said, almost every one of these that come in have 100,000 on them, but almost all of them that come in are super clean, just like this one right here. And you know me, I love the silver. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. You email quote@brenspeed.com to say, what does this cost to get installed? Check that description. You can just click on it, read more about the Stage 2 package. We also have a Stage 1 as well. And leave that comment. We're happy to answer. Thanks for watching.